Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of herbs and their health benefits. We'll explore 12 powerful herbs, understand their properties, and see how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Learn about herbs that can boost your health, from boosting your immunity to helping you sleep better. First up, we have ginger, a powerhouse for digestive health. Ginger contains gingerols and shogals with anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties. These soothe your stomach, relieve bloating, and ease motion sickness. Enjoy ginger in smoothies, stir-fries, or teas. A warm cup of ginger tea with honey is perfect for an upset stomach. Next, we have turmeric, the golden spice used in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. This makes turmeric a powerful tool in managing arthritis, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Add a teaspoon to your smoothies, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, or enjoy a warm cup of golden milk before bedtime. Let's talk about echinacea, known for boosting the immune system. This herb increases white blood cells, your body's first defense against infections. Echinacea can reduce cold symptoms' duration and severity. Find it in capsules, teas, and extracts. Aloe vera, often dubbed the burn plant, is a must-have for any medicine cabinet. It contains anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and wound-healing properties, soothing skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and minor cuts. Apply aloe vera gel directly to your skin or find it in creams and lotions. In our fast-paced lives, stress is an unwelcome companion. That's where ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, comes in. Adaptogens help your body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. It can alleviate anxiety, improve sleep, and boost brain function. Find ashwagandha in capsule, powder, or extract form. Rosemary, with its distinct aroma, is more than just a flavorful herb. It's packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, which contribute to aging and diseases. Rosemary's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, promoting health. It's also known to enhance memory and cognitive function. Add rosemary to your dishes. Use rosemary essential oil in a diffuser or enjoy a cup of rosemary tea. Garlic, a staple in cuisines around the world, is a culinary hero with incredible health benefits, particularly for your heart. Garlic contains allicin, which lowers blood pressure, reduces bad cholesterol, and prevents blood clots. Incorporate garlic into your daily diet by adding it to sauces, stir-fries, or roasting it with vegetables. Chamomile, with its delicate flowers, is best known for its calming properties. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that promotes relaxation. Sipping on chamomile tea before bed can help calm your mind and prepare you for sleep. Chamomile is a gentle way to combat insomnia. Peppermint, with its refreshing aroma, is a popular choice for toothpaste and gum. Peppermint contains menthol, which relaxes muscles in your respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. It's effective for congestion, coughs, and colds. Add peppermint oil to a humidifier, enjoy peppermint tea or crush leaves and inhale their aroma. Green tea, a staple in many cultures, is known for its health benefits, particularly in weight management. Catechins in green tea boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Regular consumption aids weight loss and improves exercise performance. It may also protect against heart disease and certain cancers. Ginkgo biloba, an ancient tree species, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine to enhance brain function. Modern research supports its cognitive boosting abilities. Ginkgo biloba improves blood flow to the brain, enhancing memory and focus. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Dandelion, often considered a pesky weed, is a nutritional powerhouse with detoxifying properties. It's a natural diuretic, helping flush out excess water and toxins. Dandelion supports liver function, your body's detox organ. Enjoy dandelion in salads, sip on dandelion tea, or take dandelion root capsules. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe and comment below for more health tips. We've explored 12 incredible herbs with unique benefits, from boosting immunity to enhancing brain function. See you next time.